wave. Zaendwa. Aenda ninyika. Twitter si Gary Andy.
Levels production.
Dirori simbara ngwari, dirori simbara ngwa. Never could indicate the lesa, yes, sumuta mawoko, bano simuta. Chese chanda eat and the gango chita mu UK, I stand a appreciate. Don't know the lesa, yes, I die, woyo.
What?
The chitty cake, yes, I die, woyo, yo, yo. Yeah, oh, 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 oh. Get it behind the lenika.
Lord, go on. Yeah. Templeman, drop it.
Doda guanaga mushifara. Now ya ikoko. UK Cupclash mushifara. Now ya trigo putika tinatana ma Templeman trigo putisa tiripa clash. I am a higher clash levels. Etherton in a kerimu satambire vanu ma clacks. Wera kwa mutare. Inindo ya ikoko. Kuzoda mura makitare. Inindo ya ikoko. UK Leicester, inindo ya ikoko. Mkompende we duche kapatara.
Okay, quick and fast, quick and fast, quick and fast. Upon hearing best of both world, all who say best of both world, let me see your hand in the air. Keep them up, keep them up, keep them up. Keep your hands up. Take them down, take them down. Upon hearing immortal movement, Godfather Templeman, let me see hand in the air. It'll look ugly now. 2, 3. I saw the round go. Quick and fast. Next song, are you ready? Leicester. Me love how the thing set up, alright? But when it comes to clash, the tune I'm about to play are one of the baddest. I want you to listen to the lyrics. You understand? And see the situation. So Leicester, right about the artist I'm about to play, it doesn't need any introduction within the entertainment sector. Listen to this.
Yo, Gary B, let you know this is a killing tune. Any boy violent for go a cemetery.
I hear that. Gary B, you are the head in a war. So any boy test Gary B, I got dead in a war.
Them boys scared in a war.
How you a play first, you know second. Dead in a war, you are the head in a war. So any boy test Gary B, I got dead in a war.
Them boys scared in a war.
How you a play first, you know second. Dead in a war. Don't have up the cocoa tea samoa. Clovash ma pig mash no pea samoa. Etherton have mani samoa. Ichichova mi samoa. Kopila uchikura. Aiva mafanya awai klashipa. Wabura ya masaundi munetipe.
That is security. Are the security? Are you security? Yeah, man, take the man them down, man. Don't let man jump on stage like that. Please don't jump on stage. What's wrong with you? What's wrong? You ready? Yes. Kanatakutarasha Winky. Well, it's a good thing. The collaboration, this is a very, very expensive tuner. You understand? This is Charlie Black alongside Winky D. Run it!
Charlie to the BLACK. Representing for Templeman, the baddest thing, the legendary one. I want to them Godfather, yo, tell them man, look up yourself, you know. I want to further no select a boy. True, we represent Zimbabwe, some boy want this way. True, we kill them sound, them think them can't style it. But a Templeman a play. Now make the party big up, boy, you make the stand up. Alright, tell them.
Chat, nobody, in a fella, nobody. Nobody, in a fella, nobody.
Check.
We have to verify. Hold on, wait. Rules are rules. Rules are rules. So, it's a bit sticky right now. Okay. Wait. You ready to give someone a point? This round is the final round. We playing original and dubplate. No remix, no riffix, no gimmicks. We ready to give them a point? We ready to run a point right now. Wait. Yeah. Okay, wait. We have to go in and voting. Okay, can I vote the soundsman on here? Because we don't want to confuse the crowd. We only got 10 minutes before the venue closes. Right, upon hearing, best of both world, Etherton, Bennie. Let me see your hand in the air now. Keep them up. Wait, put them down. Upon hearing, Godfather, Templeman, let me see your hand in the air. Juicer. Okay, sudden death. All right, listen. We're going again.
Yo, Charlie Black, that Templeman played, you said alongside Winky D, when it's a remix, it's a studio fix. Then, right about now, I'm going to play you what we simply define as a dubplate. You understand? So listen carefully for now one here.
Smarting and dancing for the big bad sound, best about 12 sound. And big up man like Etherton, Bennie, Gary B. I can't weed them a pre. Now black talk, let's kill them. Squeeze. Time for no. Best of both worlds, no sound don't bother them. You know we gonna kill these jump ons. Jump on sound, you're dead for true. Cause we not do what some boy I do, Lord. Them ones that sound, we give them all night long. Them make best of both sound the champion. Best of both is gonna kill them now. We now wait till later.
Cause a later is much. It only proves that this is what we call dubplate. Not what I play now.
Okay. Immortal Movement defend. It's 4-2. So who gonna take the trophy right now? Time run out. Okay. Dubplate from Jamaica. Let's do it.
I'm here to see a loyal flame presenting for Godfather, Templeman, the ghetto president, alongside Selector Tanaman, the rising star. They represent the baddest immortal movements for 30 years in the business. Hey. Oh, no. Hey. Templeman, what you know what we say? Loyal flames, representing for Godfather, Templeman. Alright, tell them, break free from all them chains and them shackles.
Okay, Ether, right here. Godfather, right here. Right, quick and fast. All who say, best of both world, let me see your hand in the air. Take them down. All who say, Godfather, Templeman, let me see your hand in the air. Fair and square. Do you see what I see? Right, weird. Effie, Godfather. Okay, wait. If you say Etherton took the road, let me see your hand in the air. Take them down. If you say Godfather Templeman, take the road there. Let me see your hand. Fair and square. Can we announce the winner? We're ready, fair and square. Show of hands. So, the champion for 2026, Zim UK Cupclash, to represent the trophy. I'm going to bring in the promoter, King Alfred Step near. Nagules. Sorry. Hello. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. Guys, I think go pay hold on, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hold on. Hello. Hanif, where are you? Hanif, come here. Va, can you come here, please? Lassie, come here, please. Wait. I was watching. Thank you. Hanif, hold on. Hello, guys. Hanif, I want you to ask again right now who won this one. Then we just vote. Finish. Thank you. Wait. We're going to count hands again. Wait. Don't do that. Please. By show of hands, all who say immortal, best of both worlds, sit down in here, one hand. Keep them up. I'm going to count the hands. Are you watching? Count the hands. Take them down. All who say immortal movement, Godfather Templeman, let me see on. Fair and square. Okay. The winner. You all know already Wagwan because you're working together to make a clash possible tonight. So, the winner for 2026 Zim UK Cupclash is the, what do you call it? Where's the trophy? Somebody say best of both worlds. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on, come here please. Hey, come here. No, come here. Come here. Come here. Hold on. Can you wait, please? Can you wait? This is a sound clash. Can you come here, Hanif? And also come here, please. It's simple. It's so simple, yes. So, according to the points, how many points does Templeman have? 5-2. So, okay, thank you. Well, hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me explain. These are the points. They are rules. Right? Where are you? Don't move it, please. Can you come here, please? Come here, Juicer. Wait. Yeah. Can you announce the points, please?
Yeah, man. I don't think we even need to announce the points. Everyone was saying it's 5-2. Simple.
So the winner for tonight is Best of the Boss World according to the points. Right? So according to the point, it's a point system. This is not something like a bias thing. It's 5-2. It's not me who was voting. You were voting. We have to be fair enough. Thank you so much. Come here. Godfather. Hey. Come here. Hey. Hold on. This is a point system. So tonight, hold on, guys. It's a point system, please. Big man. Can you still do that? So we're going to hand over to... He's a winner.
Yo, mix master. Uruzone kuti wave.
Yo,
mix master. Uruzone kuti wavenga. Wadati blast.
That's a point.
Yo, Etherton. Tuwapezerere wanwa.
Outro.
All right. Let me start it. Gunshot at them face like a rain splash. Yeah. One more time. All right. Bring it on.